Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Out on the river on the kayak this morning, chasing the smallmouth. It is fall, the fall transition, the fall feed should be on. My Facebook is full, I mean full, of people catching big smallmouth. So that's what I'm after today. I'd like to get out here and catch a few big smallies myself. If we find a couple of walleye or even that little M-word muskie, I wouldn't be too upset either about that. So it's gonna rain today. I've got the waterproof jacket on. I was hoping to get about a few hours of fishing in before it really started to rain, but that really didn't happen. So it started a little bit of light rain as I was unloading the kayak. So I'm out here and hopefully we'll get a few hours to fish before it gets really heavy rain. If it gets really heavy, we're gonna have to call it, but figured I'd get out here, do a little fishing for you guys here early in the fall transition, and bring you guys some good content. Got a couple other things coming up here. It's about a year since I bought this kayak, so I'm gonna do a 1-year review here in the future. Look out for that. Things I like, things I don't like about the kayak, and there's more that I like that I don't like, otherwise I probably wouldn't still have it. But anyway, stick with me here, guys. Let's see what we can find, put in the boat. Stick with me. All right, guys. I'm going to apologize in advance for the road noise. We've got a major highway up there, but we've got all kinds of rocks down here and drop-offs after them, and all kinds of current breaks and seams and stuff like that. So I'm going to be fishing a lot of that today. I like to fish that in the fall and in the spring. They don't seem to be holding as tight to the current seams maybe in the fall as they did in the spring, but let's get after it. We're going to start with the spinnerbait. This just happens to be the Guggen Squad, one of the Guggen Squad spinnerbaits, and I'm going to tell you, I love this thing. I've caught a lot of fish on this thing last year and so far this year. So I'm gonna work my way into behind all this current you see up here. There's a small little current break right here. That's where we're gonna start. All right, guys, well, it's raining pretty hard now. It was raining really hard there a minute ago. I just caught one, my first of the day. My battery had died, so I think I may have found a little spot where I might be able to find a few fish. Wasn't a big one, but hey, fish is a fish at this point, guys. There we go. But this one's a little smaller than the other guy. There's another one, little guy. Found the nursery. Simmer. Back over here, see if we can pick up a couple more in through there. This rain is getting pretty annoying. Especially in 50-degree weather.